Hello, Andro Stars. Welcome to RLumbang MyMEDIA. Last time, we made unboxing of our audio system, BM800 and V8 sound cards. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I install it and then how I made my own green screen studio for my vlogs. So just stay tuned in a very short while. Thank you so much for still watching my channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to, I would suggest that you like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that I can notify you in my next videos. Hello. And also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my very first 3 members of this channel, the Andro Stars. In my books, they light so bright. And as my stars, McCoy Sernal Vlog, Princess Beck, SK Channel, and Filipina in Sweden. Thank you so much for trusting this channel, and I hope I can see more of you in my next videos and my next preview. And thank you for those people who really help a lot in making this channel a monetized channel. You know who you are, and it's really a pleasure of working with you guys. Thank you so much. So I just hope that you have learned something again from this channel, and again, I would like to invite you to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified in my succeeding videos. Thank you so much, and as always, peace.